In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odoo Website Builder. To get started, open Odoo and click on Website. This will take you directly into your Odoo website area, where you'll see a live preview of your site. At this stage, you're not just looking at the public-facing page, you're viewing it with the Odoo toolbar across the top, which gives you access to the editing tools. This is the main workspace you'll use to build and customize your website. So it's helpful to get comfortable with this layout first. Once you're on the site preview screen, go to the top right and click Edit. As soon as you do that, Odoo will switch into editing mode. You'll notice a panel appear on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is where most of the website building tools live, and it gives you a simple visual way to make changes without needing to code anything manually. That's one of the biggest advantages of the Odoo Website Builder. It's designed to be very user-friendly and beginner-friendly. From here, you can start building your page by dragging and dropping blocks onto the site. These blocks are pre-built sections that help you create layouts quickly, such as content areas, images, banners, or other common website elements. To add one, simply click and drag it from the right side panel into the location where you want it to appear on the page. As you work, you can also switch over to the Style or Theme tabs in that same panel. Those sections allow you to change the overall look and feel of the website. So if you want to adjust the design to better match your brand or preferred visual style, that's where you'll do it. If you want to fine-tune a specific section, click directly on a block you've added to the page, then go to the Styles tab. When you do this, Odoo will show you the properties for that particular block. These properties are the settings that control how the block looks and behaves, and you can easily adjust them to get the exact appearance you want. This makes it easy to customize individual parts of the page without affecting the whole site. And that's really the core of using the Odoo Website Builder. You enter the website area, switch into edit mode, add blocks, and then customize them using the style and theme options. Once you spend a few minutes experimenting with the editor, the process becomes very intuitive and quick to use.